All right, back here again, once again with a budgety type meal. We've got some cabbage, eggs, and tuna. You can get this together in no time. It's super, super tasty. Yeah, and it doesn't hurt your wallet. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is some white cabbage, which I've shredded. There's about 6 cups there. It's kind of half a decent sized white cabbage, if you know what I mean. I've got 4 eggs there that I've beaten, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chili powder, a cup of tomatoes cut nice and small, a cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic chopped, and then here I've got 2 regular sized cans of tuna. Now when I say a regular sized can, I mean that. I've got one here to show you. So that's 185 with the liquid. This is in olive oil, 130 drained. So 2 of those. Okay, so I've got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in there. You could use a different oil if you want. We're going to start off with a cup of onion. I've just put the heat on now. It's above medium. Tablespoon of garlic. And we want to let that go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Fantastic. Let's get that 1 cup of fresh tomato, cut nice and small. Let's go salt. Let's go black pepper. Now we want to cook this for about 5 minutes. We really want those tomatoes to die. Keep it moving. Fabulous stuff. Right, grab your cabbage. Get it in. Shredded this nice and thin. Very simply, another 5 minutes again on this fairly vibrant heat. Stir frying it around. We're well on our way. So you can see that the cabbage has wilted and reduced down. We're now going to add in our spices. I'm using a teaspoon of chili and cumin powder. I mean, you could do something else completely different if you want. Take it in the direction you fancy. We're then going to add in the tuna, the couple of regular size tuna cans. Going to be breaking this up and stir frying around for another 4 minutes. Again, staying on this lively heat. Fabulous. Okay, I've got 4 eggs here that I've beaten. In they go. I like my eggs well done. You can do them exactly how you want. Keep mixing that in. Jobs are good and it's done. I'll be back in about 4 minutes, I reckon. And there you go. I just popped a little bit of spring onion, scallion, or green onions, whatever you call them, on the top there. Beautiful. That's a really nice budget meal. I mean, that'll feed 3 or 4 people maybe. Well, a big fatty like myself, just me. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.